There you go. Do 3. You're hitting it. Pop them. Good job. Hit it 3 times.
Hit the first one.
Yep. There you go. Try again 3 times. Got it. Hit him again. Clear.